I might ask you to draw me any line that's perpendicular to this line. So my y-intercept of -3, my slope is 2. I don't really need this line, I just want you to draw me a line that's perpendicular to it. But graphically, let me see what this looks like. Because my slope is 2 here, I want to keep in mind that's 2 over 1. My new slope, my opposite reciprocal slope, will be -1/2. And I could go from anywhere on that line. Maybe I start down here. My slope of -1/2 would go up 1, 2 to the left, or down 1, 2 to the right. There's my perpendicular line. Or maybe I start here, up 1, 2 to the left, down 1, 2 to the right. There's my perpendicular line. So opposite sign, reciprocal of the slope. You might see a question like this. Are these two lines perpendicular to each other or parallel to each other or neither of those things? Let's see. So I don't know what the slope is yet. Let me put these both in slope-intercept form. I can see dividing by that -4, my slope would be 1/2 x, and my y-intercept -7/4. Again, the y-intercept here I don't really care about. I'm looking at parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Over here I would start by subtracting the 6x. 3y equals -6x plus 9. My equation y equals -2x plus 3. So the question, are these two parallel? Well, now that I have them in this form, the slope of this one is -2. The slope of this one is +1/2. Are those opposite signs and reciprocals of each other? Yes, they are. So we would say these two are perpendicular. Sign for perpendicular is like an upside down capital T.